Hey people, so this is a sprinkly ghost. For 130 bucks, you get this at Krispy Kreme.
Oh my
And
god, it's so good.
yeah, yeah.
This,
My son is very big on chocolate. I'm not, thankfully. I mean, not really. So yeah. So we are at Forum Mall.
Krispy Kreme. If you see this video, please send me your whole thing.
Yes, my son is really like, he's a real Krispy Kreme fan, really. And I use of the different flavors. Yeah, this is Halloween special, so it was called Sprinkly Ghost. I'm surprised now each donut is for 130 bucks. There was a time it was 70, even that felt a lot. But yeah, 130 it is.
Once I become an adult, 130 is going to be a steal for me.
Okay, but
This
yeah,
is so good.
yeah. So this is good.
I rate this donut infinity out of 10.
Really? Okay. So on that note, we are at the Forum Mall, Kukatpalli. On that note, thanks for watching. And see, I used the dinosaur and baby. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.